Hi there guys, so today I've got an unboxing of the brand new for 2025. It's the Apple iPhone 16e. And when I say brand new, I mean recycled iPhone 14 with up-to-date internals. So let's take a look at the box. As we can see from the front of the box, this phone has the old notch, the same as the iPhone 14 did. So we don't have that dynamic island pill. I've got this in the 128GB white variant, and it's got more of a frosted look, so that'll be interesting to see. Around the side, we've just got iPhone. It's from Argos, so that's why there's a sort of sticker with the product number from their side. And then, yeah, let's have a look around the back, see what it says. It says iPhone 16e white, 128GB, assembled in China. So let's take off these strips. There is no cellophane anymore, it's all with these paper strips, so it's better for the environment. And let's do this one. There we go. And let's have a look at the phone for the first time. And there we have it. That frosted colour is actually really, really nice to look at. It looks very pure and white, and that camera lens is quite big as well. So this takes shape of the iPhone 14. It's more or less the same body, but just with one camera on the rear. It's got a 48 megapixel camera and a flash. Let's just take that out and have a look and see what else we get in the box. We get the newer braided style USB-C to USB-C cable with a SIM pin ejector inside. We also get some pamphlets, sort of a setup start guide, and we don't actually get Apple stickers anymore, which is quite a shame. Let's take a look around the device itself. So on the left hand side, we've got an action button, which is programmable to whatever you want. You can put it as your flashlight, to start a voice recording, camera, quick access, or you can just keep it as the standard mute unmute switch if you really want. We've got our volume up and down, all in aluminium. And then on the left hand side, because we're in the UK, we still have the SIM tray, because we can still have physical SIM cards in this phone. Let's just take off this front paper. We've got a 6.1 inch screen. On the bottom, we've got the microphone speakers and the USB-C port. Around the right hand side, we've just got the on and off button and the Siri button, I suppose. And there's just an antenna on the top, nothing really there. So yeah, it's a really nice, simple looking phone. I really do like this frosted colour. It's really nice. It's kind of like an silvery off-white, if that makes any sense. I'm going to switch it on, but I'm not actually going to boot this up because this is a gift for a relative. Just to run through some more specs. So it's with the iPhone 16 family, but it's the more budget version. It is £599 in the UK, which many people would argue isn't budget at all, and it's more of a mid-high range kind of device. So yeah, it's got an OLED 6.1 inch display. It's got a 48 megapixel back camera. It's got Face ID. It's missing a few of the features of the newer one, but there are more in-depth videos if you want to know more about that. This was just a very first brief unboxing video. Let me know if you've got any questions and pop them in the comments. And make sure you subscribe if you like this video. And thank you for watching.